Setting up a Goodbudget app is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Download the Goodbudget app from the App Store or Google Play Store and install it on your mobile device. Open the Goodbudget app and create a new account. You will need to provide an email address and create a password to set up your account. Goodbudget uses the envelope budgeting system where you allocate funds to different categories based on your budget. Set up your envelopes by creating categories for your expenses. Once you've created your envelopes, allocate funds to each envelope based on your budget. Determine how much you want to allocate to each category for the month. Whenever you make a purchase or incur an expense, record the transaction in Goodbudget. Assign the transaction to the appropriate envelope or category and enter the amount spent. Goodbudget offers the option to sync your bank accounts to automatically import transactions. If you choose to sync accounts, follow the prompts to connect your bank accounts securely. Choose your budget period based on how often you receive income and pay bills. Goodbudget will help you track your spending and manage your budget within your chosen period. Monitor your spending throughout the budget period to ensure that you stay within your allocated amounts for each envelope. Goodbudget provides visual feedback to help you track your progress. If you overspend in a particular category, adjust your budget by reallocating funds from other envelopes or cutting back on discretionary spending. Goodbudget allows you to make adjustments to your budget as needed.